Hello students, a very warm welcome. Today we are going to learn EVS 1, the 6th lesson, that is variety in food. Students, we all like variety in food, isn't it or not? So what is variety in food? So variety in food means the nature of food, that is vegetables, fruits, grains, meat, fish, dairy products. It also indicates range of food that we should consume. Students, see which vegetables does your family buy from the market, or which grains does your family buy from the grocer. What do you have for breakfast, lunch and dinner? Like what special dishes do your family members prepare on special occasion? And see what do you eat different types of dishes when you go to your native place. Guess students, see which dishes your mother prepares from rye and wheat. Now see students, we use the vegetables and grains bought from the market to prepare the different dishes in our meals. Now let us carry out the following activity related to food on page number 36. Now students, you see which grains and vegetables does your family buy from the market. Now see students, as shown below, you make a table of the different dishes prepared from the different grains or vegetables at home. See, the grain is rice. From this, which dishes we can make? We can make bhakri, we can make idli, we can make rice. What are the total number of dishes we have made? We have made 3. So look at your list. If a grain or vegetable is used to make more than one food item or dish, write the total number of each items in the next column. Compare your list with that of your friends. Now see students, here another table is given where grains and vegetables in the friends list. Now what the friend has prepared from the rice, like he has prepared different food items like modak and dosa. You will realize that various dishes can be made from the same ingredients. Even when there is a variety in the dishes, the basic ingredients remains the same. In the example above, we see various preparations of rice. Note that there is diversity in the food items of the different states of our country. Now see students, use your brain power. See, in every region there is one staple food. What is the reason for that? See, in every region a particular food crop is grown on a large scale. See, for example, rice is grown on a large scale in the coastal part of India. That is, coastal means near the sea area. Therefore, in every region there is one staple food. Now for the second one, you see, why does the staple food of people vary according to the region? That is, see, in every region, climatic conditions, fertility of the soil, availability of water, etc. other factors are different. Therefore, in every region, different major crops are grown. Therefore, the staple food of people vary according to their region. Now see students, coming to page number 37. Can you tell? See, there's a map given here of major food crops of India. You have to study the map given and observe the distribution of food crops in the country. You have to study how the distribution of crops varies in different regions. So here are some questions. We will answer them by observing the map. See, one index is also given in the map showing rice, wheat and jowar. The first question is, which food crops is grown on a large scale in the coastal region? Coastal means area near the sea. So rice is grown on a large scale in the coastal part of India. Now coming for the second question, which food crops are grown in North India? See, the answer is the food crops like wheat and jowar are grown in the North India. Now for the third question, which is the major food crop in the central region? So students, wheat is the major food crop in the central region. Now the fourth one, rice is grown on a large scale in the southern part of India. Why is this so? See, because the crop of rice requires hot, humid climate and heavy rainfall for its growth. The southern part of India has hot and humid climate. This region receives heavy rainfall. So rice is grown on a large scale in southern part of India. See students, now coming to page number 38. Agriculture is the main occupation. Agriculture means farming in all parts of our country. It is mainly dependent on the rainfall. The rainfall received in all regions is not the same. Now see students, in regions of high rainfall, crops such as rice, then you see the coconut, then you see the this is coconut, then you see the ragi. This is the ragi crop, and this is the varai. See, wheat, tur and soybean are grown in regions of moderate rainfall. And then jowar, bajra and moth beans are grown in regions of low rainfall. See students, to help crops to grow well, good seeds, fertile soil, sufficient sunlight and water are needed. And according to the seasons, a variety of grains, fruits and vegetables are grown in our country. Now students, you try this. See, you visit the local fruit sellers. Note down the names of the fruits sold in the shops. You discuss the following points with him, like which fruits are sold all year around, which fruits are not available in the rainy season, which fruits are sold in the summer, in which seasons are fruits available in plenty, and in which season do we get fewer fruits. See, the availability of fruits varies according to the season. Different fruits are available in different seasons. Now students, coming to page number 38, use your brain power. See, look at the fruits in the picture. So you make a table as shown below of the fruits that are available in each season. You include the names of fruits you know even if they are not shown in the picture. The students, you will have to do it as activity in your scrapbook. Now see students, coming to page number 39, what's the solution? See, Irfan and Supriya, they bought some potatoes because they were very cheap. However, they are tired of eating potato bhaji. So you suggest different preparations of potatoes to them. So what different preparations we can make, like potato vada, potato chips, potato cutlet, potato puri, potato thalipit and potato chuda. Now see students, can you tell? See a map given below. It shows famous food items from Maharashtra and its adjoining states. You have to study the map and complete the table given below. Like draw a table like the one shown below on page number 39. Make a list of districts, states and their famous food items. Find out which grain, fruit, vegetable these items are made of and write that in the third column. Students, have a look at these tables showing the list of districts, states and their famous food items and the main ingredients. See students, for example, jowar is grown on a large scale in the plateau region. Plateau region means flat land of Maharashtra. See hurda, lhaya, bhakri, gugria, papad, sandge, ambil, dapate, dhirde, etc. are all preparations of jowar enjoyed in that region. And in Konkan or the coastal region, see rice, coconut and coconut oil are widely used. In central Maharashtra, jowar, bajra, groundnut, soybean, sesame and mustard are more commonly used. Note that this variety in crops is due to the change in climate and soil. The crops grown in a region determine the diet of the people in that area. Now students, see, do you know some fruits and vegetables which were previously available only in a certain season are now available all year around? There are several reasons for this, like the first one, availability of water throughout the year. Second one, availability of improved seed. Third one, importing fruits and vegetables from various parts of the world. And the fourth one is faster transport facilities. Now see students, use your brain power. See, suppose you are not able to get food items made from jowar, bajra, wheat, rice and corn. Think of the food items that you will have to eat in that case. See what if we do not get these food items made from jowar, bajra, wheat, rice and corn. We will have to eat roots like potato, sweet potato, etc. Vegetables like cabbage, pumpkin, etc. Fruits like mango, banana, orange, etc. Milk, curd, buttermilk, etc. Now see students, we will see what we have learned. We have learned the diversity in food item. Diversity means different food items. Food items vary according to the region. The availability of grain, fruits and vegetable depends on the seasons. The various food items in Maharashtra and the neighboring states. And students, we should always remember a region's climate, soil, water and people's need determine the crops that are grown in that region and also their staple diet. Now students, coming for the homework. You have to read, learn and write the given words 10 times in your notebook. Like the first one grains, second one dishes, third one meals, fourth one diversity, fifth one staple, sixth one crops, seventh one season, eighth one climate, ninth one coastal, 10th one Konkan, 11th one plateau and the 12th one agriculture. Thank you. Have a nice day. We will continue our next video with exercises. Till then, stay home, stay fit, stay healthy and stay protective.